Can we track where content is being used and by whom? Track snippet usage in order to know which snippets are being used in which documents. You can also find out which versions of snippets are currently in your documents and who is using them. Review usage history from the perspective of a single snippet. Do an impact assessment when making an update to a specific snippet. You can update documents containing outdated snippets by opening multiple documents at one time to push in the updated snippets. Usage tracking may be turned on or off at any point in the document's lifecycle. You can also see usage history from the perspective of the snippets contained within your current document, or do a complete repository audit. This is a great way to make sure that approved content is being used and that documents are being updated appropriately by the entire team. You can see which snippets have been used, how many times they have been used, what the current version is for each snippet, and which versions of snippets are in which documents. SmartDocs makes it easy to ensure that approved content is being used and also being updated when and where necessary.